Hi, I'm Kristen Perez of Liberty Oxygen and Medical Equipment, and I want to talk to you a little bit about your nebulizer. This is your typical nebulizer, and with it you get a neb kit, and it is the tubing and the mouthpiece and the medicine cup that goes with your nebulizer. All nebulizers will have an outlet where the tubing plugs into, and then that will go to the bottom of your neb cup. When you open up your neb cup, you'll notice it has a piece inside that is removable. It's very important when you're cleaning your neb cups to not lose this piece, or your nebulizer will not work anymore. You'll need to get a replacement right away. On top of the neb cup, so when I open that, that's where your medicine goes. You close it, and the mouthpiece goes on top. Sub-neb cups will come with a spacer, and some doctors, depending on the patient or the age of the patient or the type of medication, may ask you to use a spacer with it as well. And that just hooks on the end. Your neb cup should be cleaned, rinsed out in warm soapy water after every use. And again, be very careful not to lose this piece that's inside. So you want to rinse out your neb cup with warm soapy water after every use and let it air dry. And then once a week you want to clean it with 3 parts water to 1 part vinegar. Also on your nebulizer you've got a filter. And when I open it up, here's this little filter. To replace it, I just take a new filter and put it in here. You want to replace your filter about every 6 months, or when this filter is gray. So when it's not a nice light color anymore, it's time to replace it. I just put it in there and close the lid.